File name changed? Perfect. The hard part is over. It's time to now create a project within the software so that we can check some video rankings next. I am now back to the projects function or feature in the software to show you exactly how to create a project. To create a project, first enter the project name here like you see in the video. To avoid any confusion, especially if you are a beginner, choose the same project name as your text file name. So in my case, I will enter Video Rank Checker in this field. As for the project description, you can once again re-enter the same thing. Next, click on Choose File and click on Desktop and open the text file that you have saved to your desktop a few minutes ago. Video Rank Checker. Next, click on Create Project and immediately you will see an alert saying your project has been created. Click on OK to close the alert box. You have successfully added a project through the software and you can pull up this project anytime to check video rankings and more. Now this is exactly how you add URLs and keywords through the software. You do it through adding projects. Alright, once you have added projects through the software, before checking rankings with the rank checker function, you will first need to select a project to check rankings for, and you do that by simply clicking on this button right here where it says, please click here to select a project, and then open the project file. I had just named a project Video Rank Checker, so after clicking on select a project, I will have to locate the Video Rank Checker project to use the rank checker to check video rankings. So please remember and understand this. When you create a project, you are creating a folder. All I have to do now is to look on my desktop for a project or folder named Video Rank Checker. But guess what? There is no folder on the desktop with the name Video Rank Checker. So every time you wish to open a created or saved project, you will first have to look for a vChecker folder on your desktop. So please remember this again. Every time you wish to open a created or saved project, you will first have to look for a vChecker folder on your desktop, because all your created and saved projects will be stored in a folder called vChecker, and the folder is on your desktop. Just like you see in the video, locate the vChecker folder and select the project folder that you would like to check rankings of. For me, it would be this Video Rank Checker folder, just like you see in this video. Once you have chosen, clicked, or highlighted the folder, click on OK to open the project or folder in the software. Immediately after you click on OK to open the project or folder, you will see all this information here to the left, such as project name, description, and more. As you can see here, on load, the software says I have 3 videos and 3 keywords in the project file or folder. This means that I am almost ready to check video rankings. There's just one more thing I need to do before I can use the rank checker function or feature. That one more thing to do is to navigate to the Settings tab to tell it exactly what kind of rankings to check for, whether it be on just YouTube, Google, or Google videos, all at once or in any combination. You can also tell the software how many pages you would like to check on YouTube, Google, and Google videos respectively. For the sake of this video, I will want to check my rankings on all platforms, so let me go ahead and check all these boxes here to the left, starting from YouTube to Google and Google videos. For the search settings, I will leave this here as is. For the wait time, I will leave this here as is. Under Advanced, you will see Threads. Threads are basically the number of videos you would like to check at the same time. You can test how many threads you can run and eventually choose a good number for your computer speed. I'll go ahead and change the number of threads here to 3 for the sake of this video tutorial. Outstanding, settings are good. Let's do some video rank checking now. Let's go back to the rank checker function or feature and click on Start. Almost immediately, you will see your video rankings being displayed just like you see in the video. Not only will you see your video rankings, you will also see the number of views, likes, comments, and more. To the bottom left of the software, you will also see a generated chart after your ranking is displayed. With one look, you can see exactly how many videos you have in what ranking category, such as top 10, top 10 to 20, top 20 to 50, and more. In this case, the graph here is telling me that I have 3 videos or 3 URLs in the top 10 positions on YouTube. If I wanted to see how many video rank checker videos I have on Google, let's say all in one look, all I have to do is change this drop down menu right here to Google and click on Start again. Let's give this a few more seconds. Here we go.